In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to wall hop on Roblox PC or laptop. First of all, make sure that you have enabled shift lock on your PC since every method of wall hopping requires it, and to enable that we need to go to settings. For that, press escape key on your keyboard, then go to the settings tab and from here enable shift lock. So we need to turn it on, then go back to your game. On the bottom left corner, you'll see my key inputs which will help you follow along. Right next to them, you'll also notice my mouse inputs. So whenever you see that circle spinning, that's me flicking the mouse. Now to do the normal wall hop, press shift to turn shift lock on, then move forward by holding W while pressing the jump key. At the same time, quickly flick your camera to around a 45-degree angle against the wall. If done correctly, you'll notice your character climbing up the wall. Let's try it again. Hold W, keep jumping and flick the camera at that slight angle. That's how you perform the basic wall hop on PC or laptop. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.